Hi there everyone, welcome to Negi Tech. Today we are going to unbox and going to take a closer look on this Dell KB216 keyboard. I will also let you know why this keyboard is my favorite keyboard. Okay, so first off, let's quickly unbox it. So here we can see this comes in a very minimalistic look. And one of the reasons why I like this keyboard is that it comes with 3 years of warranty and it's going to cost us around 550 rupees, which is really bang for the buck, I would say, because you are getting 3 years of warranty with a keyboard that's going to cost you only this much. So now let's quickly unbox it. As we were mentioning, it comes in a very sleek kind of packaging, which I would say is pretty good considering the price that we have paid for this. Okay, so here is another box, and now we need to unbox it as well. Okay, and there we go guys, here is our keyboard. Now let me take it out. And this one is wired keyboard actually, which in a way is good or bad. Good in a way that you do not need to worry about the battery, and bad in a way that you have this wire. And speaking of this wire, let's also check out this length, and it is approximately 1.5 meters or 5 feet, which I would say is pretty large, or generally I would say this is typical length of keyboard wire. And by seeing the quality of it, I would say it is quite decent. And here comes the keyboard layout. So this is actually full-size keyboard. So first off, let's talk about its design. This Dell keyboard, which is KB216, comes in a sleek and minimalistic factor, as you can see here. And the design looks glossy as well as matte, or I would consider this as a matte design because we can clearly see the textures here. And the best part that I like inside this keyboard, it is very silent guys. As you can see, the sound it makes is very minimal. And at the same time, it also gives a feel of tactile. Obviously, this is not mechanical keyboard, so you will not get that kind of tactile feel, but I would say it is good enough. And since this keyboard is very silent, this is also a preferred choice for several offices and commercial space. And if I specifically talk about its key, we can see that it is slightly elevated for improved typing experience. It also have kind of spill resistance design that protect against minor liquid spill. Not only that, it I would say is very easier to clean up when we see and compare it with other keyboard. For example, this Logitech G219 Prosody keyboard. Because here we can see that with this keyboard the dust can go inside and it is very difficult to clean. However, in this keyboard we can see the layout is kind of chiclet style, which is very easy to clean. So these are some of positive aspects of this keyboard, and it's not like that this keyboard does not comes with any negative. The negative that I see with this keyboard is that it does not comes with backlit. And I would say this is a kind of acceptable and self-understandable for the price we pay for this keyboard. If we talk about software compatibility and hardware support, then I have used this keyboard, which by the way this also is. I have used these keyboards with Windows, Linux as well as Macintosh. And obviously in case of Macintosh, I have used Apple hardware, which I would say I itself have tested, and this keyboard works like any regular keyboard in all these different operating systems without any issue. And that's all folks for this video. If you also would like to buy this awesome looking keyboard that comes with a very minimalistic design and have a very quiet key travel that will not disturb anyone else, then I'm gonna put the buying link in the description of this video. If you buy from that link, you're going to also help us, this channel, to grow faster without the price that you're going to pay for this keyboard. If you have got any kind of doubts or question in your mind regarding this keyboard, please do let us know in comment down below. Also, do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Navitech for more tech reviews, unboxing and tips. Thank you guys for watching and see you in next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.